really good music show for the twins on their birthday. Can you help me with this song? Can you add some rhythm to this song? Can you clap your hands and clap along? Yeah, do it for the twins. Make it strong. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody join the band. Everybody clap along and join the song. Make it strong and make it good. I know you could. And now everybody stop. And everybody go. Wow, good. Now everybody stop. Perfectamundo. Alright, I'm going to count the rhythm. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, my friends, can you stomp your feet and make a big birthday party beat? Can you stomp your feet down on the street? There you go. Everybody stomp along. And add some rhythm to the song. I can you know and make it strong. Stomp along, join the song. Make it good. Now, everybody stop. I can tell you're super smart and you need a challenge. Can you rub your belly? Can you rub your belly like you just had a yummy snack? Now with your other hand, can you tap the tippy top of your head? Rub your belly and tap your head. Like a silly guy named Fred. Rub your belly and tap along and join the song. Make it strong, make it good, I know you could. Okay, now show me who's growing. Can you stand up and show me how tall you are? I want to see who's growing. Oh, look at the boys, they're growing fast. Okay, next question. Who can jump the highest? Can you jump nice and high? Can you jump into the sky? How can you jump? Can you stretch it? Can you reach it? Can you reach it? Can you stretch it? Can you jump up high? Can you stretch it to the sky? 1, 2, 3, 4. One of those tres cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of those tres cuatro. Jump and clap your hands and join into the band. Everybody clap along. Can you flap and try to fly like a pretty butterfly? Can you flap your butterfly wings and do that wing flapping thing? Yeah, jump and flap and fly. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, flap like a butterfly. That looks pretty. Okay, now, can you stomp your feet again? Okay, now can you bring it down and be soft and low and show me how you tiptoe? Oh yeah, you're good at tiptoeing. Now can you tiptoe and can you turn around in a circle? Wow, 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 wow. Can you touch your toes? Can you straighten up and scratch your nose? Can you reach up to the sky? Can you reach to the east and reach to the west? Okay, now flap your wings like a butterfly. Let's jump and flap and fly like a pretty butterfly. How can you jump up in the sky nice and high, flap and fly? Give it a try, alright. Okay, last time I'm going to count the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, you're so smart, you're such good listeners. Okay, my friends, can you tiptoe back to a spot that you like a lot? And can you sit back down on the ground? Can you cross your legs like a pretzel? Cross your legs, pretzel style, and wear yourself a big, big smile. But do you know what else I say? I say Criss Cross Travis sauce. No? Criss Cross Jack sauce. No, that's not right. Okay, I got it. Criss Cross barbecue sauce. That sounds good. Should we do it together? Okay, let's do it together. Criss Cross. Hey, can you clap for yourselves for being such good listeners?